government house, asaba.
Government house, and to know that it's a governor from Igbo. All the people you saw there now, yes, from that extraction.
Yeah.
Because you have to put people who are from your house, and then go secure.
Just a mortgage and everything. When they got it, they may call her. Well, I'm not
saying so much.
Yeah, all right. You know now, we don't come here.
So why no for
maybe not chicken staff.
Chicken staff are going to take the government.
Sharp.
Clearly shows that it's not the governor. That first place where I appointed the governor.
Power. Igbo ezue internal ọmụ ajụjụ ọgụ ọmụ ka anyị na-akụrụ ya mgbịrịgba na-eso ihe ọmụ mụ na ndị m nọwọ ọmụ gọzi ise o I did tell you.
Yeah, you don't lose
These are Maria Munda. I'm the leader presently in the National Cultural Organization We are cultural organization. These are our members. Your name?
My name is Son of Good afternoon, sir. And I am the publisher of Annual and Cultural Forum. Also a two-time special assistant to your sister Adana.
Oh, that's nice. Standing on the existing protocol, sir, and Mr. Onyeme, the member for Tagono, the Bag West Local Government.
Please find Chico Ochonobo from EPD in Okwane local government.
Osai Onyamale Foibe from Onichokwane local West local government.
My name is Chukwemeka Kogolo from Onitshubo in Anota North local government of Delta State.
My name is Kosai Mabudu from the community in Local West local government here at Delta State.
Twice to be here, but we understand that you're busy due to the call of the nature of your work. Thank God that we're here. We initially wanted to speak to the governor, but we have a program that we organize that is coming up this weekend at Obanam, 29th and 30th. And this program is targeting on uniting all the Bia-speaking communities in Delta and across the Federation of Nigeria. Everywhere you see people that speak Bia, both in Delta,
That speaks Bia.
Bia means come. Yes. So Bia. That the people that speak Bia. So both in Kogi, Benue, River State, Cross River, the 5 eastern states, and River State, all the people that have that integration there, we are coming together to actually bring, because when you look at our culture and tradition, we are one, same, and we are uniting ourselves through tradition and culture. So by these 2 days, we are having 2 days conference, which we have guest speakers who will be coming to grace the occasion, like somebody like Professor Pato Tommy, and so on and so forth. Yeah, Professor Paul Otunye from Delta State University. What are they coming to talk on? How to harness our cultural heritage, bringing us together for better economic benefit and align together for our political gain. So that the reason why we're here is that we want to invite you, rather the governor, officially to help grace the occasion. We need an official opening on that occasion, 29th. And we're having this occasion at the Jesdawa Hotel at Obanam City Gate. 29th and 30th is there.
They have said the date is that. Okay, are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Your royal mother here present. I welcome you to Office of the Chief of Staff, Government House and Savannah. Yeah, so I've seen the communication. Yeah, so the communication that we have talked about request for audience with me.
Yeah.
So welcome. I think your purpose of unification is for a better group coexistence. Yeah, that is only when we can have a harmonious coexistence, like we said, and promote our cultural heritage. Absolutely. Not because I'm a prince, so anything that promotes our culture. We support encourage, and as a government we want to do those things, promote movements or organizations that tend to bring people together for the betterment of our society. So I truly encourage you to welcome once more. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you, sir.
So we look forward to on the 29th, precisely. So God helping us, we'll see how we can well represented.
Thank you so much. Even when
yes.
I was only of the foreign
Oh, okay, yeah, because she was here not even long before she passed on.
I was with her.
Okay, I was really very shocked at her.
Well, no problem.
Thank God, it pleases God, yeah, absolutely.
She has done her job.
Absolutely.
We need to continue.
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations for your accedance to the role of Omo.
Yes.
That's fine. It's all right. I welcome all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
On 29th.
Thank you, sir.
For the opening ceremony.
Yeah, for the opening, just to get the place open.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for coming to see us. Congratulations to Party and presence. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you.
For your warm reception.
Please give me some little space for that. What are
Power. We are done seeing the chief of staff to the governor. We move. And Yoma State is a go. Igbos must unite. Must stay inside, not be shy. Unite or we unite or maybe unite. Igbos must unite. We move. Omwaje jogo. Omwaje jogo. Omwaje jogo. Alụsị a na-afụ anya. Nne ogbueji. Nne ogbueji. Nne ogbueji. If you can nesi abaya na moto majestically. Alụsị a je jogo. Power. Power.